So one of my favorite things is to cook a meal in the woods. Today I've come out and I've got my pack with all my gear and food. There's a little pruning saw. That's probably one of the handiest tools in gathering firewood. Here are the ingredients to make bannock. 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a heaping tablespoon of powdered milk. It's good to have a stick of butter with you to grease your frying pan as well. So now I'm going to get the bannock dough ready. Got our bag well mixed. I'm going to add just enough water to make it sticky, not runny. Got to be real careful about this. Lots of variations on bannock. You can add fruit, sugar, cinnamon, or make it more savory and add meat like ham or sausage. But I just like plain, and that's what we're making today. So here's the fun part. It's getting the dough just right. It's kind of flaky, not too gooey. I've gotten the skillet hot and I put some butter in the bottom of it. And we'll pat this out to about 3/4 of an inch thick. And I'm going to put that in the skillet. Mash it down a little more. So here I've moved the skillet over with the bannock pointed to the fire, and there it'll bake. And then at some point I'll turn it over and it'll be golden brown. We'll bake the other side. Now we're cooking. Got the potatoes on, water for coffee, and the bannock's baking. We got coals under our grill. We're going to do the steak. Oh yeah. And then we also need to add some steak seasoning. It just doesn't get any better than this. So here's the finished meal. We got ribeye steak, fried potatoes, homemade bannock, a cup of coffee, and a great place to sit. One rule with bannock, you never cut it. That brings bad luck. You have to break it. There you go. Look at that. Perfectly done. We've got some butter to put on it. Wish you all could be here. I'd share, but I'm gonna have to eat this myself.